In this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube English voice. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there are two different things people usually mean by YouTube English voice, so I'm going to cover both clearly. So if YouTube is changing the video audio to another language, so AI dubbing, so some videos are automatically dubbed into your local language. Now to switch it back to English, I want to go ahead and make sure to get into that video and then click on the gear icon. Now from here, we've got the audio track. So go ahead and click on audio track and then change it back to English or original audio. Now, if you don't see audio track, that video doesn't support switching and YouTube is forcing a default dub for your account or region. Now, if you mean YouTube interface voice or English language settings, so we want to come on over to youtube.com, click onto your account, click into settings. Now inside of settings, we want to click onto playback and performance tab. Now on the right, we've got the option for language. So language settings apply to your account. So click on add or edit languages. And now go ahead and choose your preferred language, which is going to be English. Choose it, click on confirm.